Hello and welcome to TechTube. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can write a YouTube script using Deepseek. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, open deepseek.com on any of the browser you have on your PC and then click on Start Now. What you need to do is give it the command of what type of video you want or what type of video you want it to be, like catchy, interesting, fascinating, meaningful. Whatever you give the command, it will make it for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give Deepseek a command that I want a YouTube script for my Facebook creation. So I'll just go ahead and write it down. After you write down your script or after you write down your command, you can now see that it has been started and it will now give you the script on how you can create certain stuff on according to how you give it. So make sure that you give a command that you want a YouTube script, you want it to be interesting and other details as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more.